excited for the Pixar?
Yeah. We have to.
You already ate today?
No.
No, Fabian has an ate today. Jose, you ate today? He ate. I haven't ate, so
I had some eggs.
He had some eggs, my eggs, but
Alright, buddy.
we gotta try this David's.
Huh?
Sat down. So I guess Fabian said you just sit down and they serve you. That's pretty nifty.
Yeah, they should. They'll come out.
So I can respect it. Damn, and they got the curry jersey. What type of
That's cool.
I guess the ladies gotta come. Let's see the menu.
So you guys down for the family stuff?
I am done for family special. You guys can do whatever.
Side up
The
wing?
David's New York Pizza. Damn.
What do you want? You want to listen at the pasta?
Hi, how are you guys?
Just surprised them.
I was like reading through the pasta.
I don't get no info.
Oh, so you wanted pasta. We didn't know you wanted to order separate. I'm sure you gotta let us
That's what I'm
know.
saying. He doesn't let no one know.
You gotta let us know. That's tough.
What? You were talking about your own thing separate.
Dude, you got a
You
pepperoni,
did it.
half Hawaiian, right? And like 6 wings. Spicy. So waiting for that. And we got a pitcher of soda.
Yeah.
It's pretty nifty, I'm not gonna lie. With David so far. So far, David's service is pretty nifty.
Pineapple?
I don't mind it.
I found.
Yeah, it's not anyway, so we'll still have some.
I mean,
Go
because
with pineapple?
I'm not eating pepperoni.
I'm fine
you guys are all fucking with the pepperoni part.
Yeah, I'm fine with pineapple too, though.
I mean, I was thinking combination also.
I don't
You're finished with the salad. The pizza's already gonna be here.
Like
It
the
should be
salad,
here.
I'm not rocking with salad. I'll be honest.
Try it out.
Nah, I don't know. I just
Try it out with the ranch. Just a little proportion.
I can't.
For the healthy side, you know?
Oh, yo, I love you busting.
I don't know. I don't even like ranch.
With the ranch or without the ranch?
With ranch.
Last one,
Oh, you mean you're asking like if
I don't
it's
even like
without
ranch.
it?
Pardon? Look at that dude. I look good or what? Hey.
Man, it's the valor in there.
What do you think, Jerry?
It's like fresh, that's what I'm telling you, bro.
That's a...
Can I get some up?
I'm not rocking with ranch. Like salad, I just can't. Like I just can't. I don't know. Like I've never had a full salad like this. Like, look at the way he's doing it. I've never had a salad like that.
No, you gotta eat it.
You fuck with it? The ranch is good from here too. Nice. Oh yeah, show. Don't wait.
Oh, man. My type of.
And then you got. Well, I haven't tried the cheesy bread from here, but you gotta compare it when we go to Pizza Plus.
You didn't even get the bite.
My fault.
Put ranch on it.
Ranch?
Give me some ranch.
Hold up.
Give me some more salad.
Damn, he's really rocking with the salad.
Bro, the salad
I'm rocking with the wings. The wings are looking kind of nifty.
You're welcome. How's the wing?
On the bread.
Oh, the bread's good?
That look good. Now the wing, kind of hot. That's a fucking nifty wing right there. Let's get that wing
Let me
bite.
try it.
The wings are hella good. Can't lie.
Fuck with it?
Hella good.
It doesn't even need ranch.
Yeah. It's like perfect. The spice and everything. Damn, look at that.
He hasn't took a bite of the wing?
Right here?
He would fuck with the wings. True. I'm telling him, bro. I've been telling him to come here.
Oh. Everything's just hidden.
I'm saying, Fabian was right. This place is it might be better than Eddie's. Came out.
Look at that. Oh my lordy.
I'm not fucking with that pineapple.
You're not fucking with the pineapple?
You gotta at least try it though.
Yeah.
Take the first bite.
I mean, my nephew eats all the pineapple. Separate from the pizza.
This is your napkin.
A little bit of the, Favorite Special.
Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop, bop. Can't see.
A little baby, I open it.
A little bit of ranch, just like David said.
Get that bite on.
Let's try it out. Try it out.
You should have dipped it in the... Well, let us know,
It's better than what I expected to be. And I hate pizza, so.
He doesn't like pizza like that, so I don't know. I don't know if his opinion, really matters.
No.
It's different.
It's a different type of pizza too. It's not like Eddie's.
Yeah.
It's like a,
It says New York style.
I guess it's different. So Jonathan,
Crazy though.
We're going to.
It's crazy though. Or what?
If someone says get pizza, like, that's what I'm thinking. Not some like Little Caesars garbage pizza. Like what the
Little
hell?
Caesars is
I've been trying to get them here for months now. But finally they came. They came through this time, So
Natsu. It's alright.
It's alright.
Damn.
That's good. I'll come back again, but you prefer it over Little Caesars, though.
Over 80s. Over 80s.
this nigga would get Little Caesars because it's like a cheap.
What the hell?
But it's like, bro, like it's a full-on bundle.
Look. You're gonna be in the mood for Little Caesars. You gotta be in the mood for this.
But if I'm gonna
No,
eat
for
pizza,
80s compared to 80s.
he fucks with Eddie's.
Like, dude, I used to be a Eddie's hater, bro. But like, Eddie's pretty fucking good, bro. I don't know why. That's pretty good.
Crazy good.
It's not the same.
Eddie's
as
is
the
good.
Eddie's
Like
normal.
there's some crazy Eddie's pizza, because I've been there for a minute, I know the crazy combos from Eddie's. So
This is still pretty good though. I'm done. Eddie's runs.
I'm gonna have to see if it's better than
My favorite
Eddie's.
said, bro, the deal.
Eddie's is number one for me.
I fuck with this. Oh, then eat it while it's hot.
That's what I'm saying.
I got you. Go.
Gotta get a slice. Eddie's is like number one for me. Like, people ask me, what do you want to
You
eat?
don't need no ranch with it, nothing.
No ranch.
Okay. So it's just like an honest review then.
Honest review.
Oh shit, turned off. It's right.
No, so I'm still on. Yeah, it just does that.
It's tapping. The screen's black. Okay.
First bite. Feels right.
Who's right? Jonathan?
Same opinion. It's good, but it's not like crazy. Like,
Uh-huh.
Eddie's is still better.
Oh wow.
It's crazy good though. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
It's good though.
I'm still gonna come back there for sure. Yeah.
It's different.
I like
But
the
you know,
extra
it's-
cheese.
Oh,
Yeah, cheese.
Hella
bro.
cheese.
Yeah.
It's good though.
Pretty
Hella
good?
I'll come back again for sure.
Alright. I'll get a Hawaiian bite.
Shit's good.
None of you guys tried Hawaiian.
I don't know.
Give me some ranch.
Bro. Shit's good.
What can I get for you?
Pineapple review right here.
Anything inside?
All good.
It's
Really
always
trying
been
to
good.
find out.
It's always been good.
Just the same?
Yeah.
This is your favorite pizza? You would say? No?
We still gotta try another spot. There's another spot in Linden. But I don't know if they're all different types of pizza. So you guys have to, you guys narrow it down. Me, it depends on the days. Like,
This might be number 2.
number 2?
Oh yeah.
Number 2.
Number 2.
might have to be number 2. Behind Eddie's one.
Do you guys want to do the happy hour social? It's only a few.
The pina one, pretty good.
What would you rate it overall?
1 out of 5.
10.
1 out of 10. 7.8.
Okay.
I don't really like pizza, but you know when pizza's good, it's good.
Is there going to be 5
Out of 10. Jonathan?
8.
8?
Yeah. Still very good.
Are we rating like out of
Overall.
pizzas or like overall like all foods ever?
I think we're just doing pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
All just pizza? On the pizza scale compared to all the pizzas? It's a good 8.
Is it 8?
It's a good 8.
Yeah, I'm not going with the 8.
Just the pizza or like everything we ate?
We can do everything with 8.
Everything we ate is like an 8.5 for me.
Experience everything?
8.5.
Yeah, I can respect that. 8.5.
Everything, yeah, 8.5 now.
8.5.
Yeah. 8.5 overall. You guys gotta come check it out. It's pretty nifty.